Hello everyone. So I just got my package today, and here's my Azodin Kaos. I'm gonna do a review on it right now, so let's open it up. Alright, so I mean the package is not like a Ego, and they don't have like a case really, it's just a box, but I mean for a box it's pretty cool, I guess. Alright. I got the camo one, which is that one right there. Alright, so instruction manual. Piece. Warranty card. Then they have the hex keys and O-rings and parts kit. I don't know what you want to call it, whatever. Some ANS gear. That's where I got it from. Thank you, ANS gear. Wow. Yeah, some stickers and stuff. Alright, so there's the gun, and alright, let's barrel sock instead of those barrel plugs that the shitty guns get. Cool. Alright, so there's the gun itself. Let's take that out. Wow. That's a... yeah. Oh, there's a safety. That's with the safety, so it's kind of loose. No, no sides, not like side sway with the trigger. It's very nice. Let's well, I don't want to dry fire it. Let's not do that. The barrel. Oh wow. There's the barrel. So. Okay, I am horrible at putting on a barrel on a new gun. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So, I think it's like a 12-inch barrel. Yeah, I think that is. That's the stock. As you can tell, it's that steel braided, or whatever it's called. It's not Macroline. Oh. There's a Delrin bolt. If you can see that. I don't know if you can. It's a... yeah, let's put that back in there. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, here's the feed neck. My hopper's downstairs right now, so I'm not going to go down and get that. That's how you tighten it. What I heard on the locking feed neck is that you have to, I don't know, get like pliers or something. And that's what helps. But yeah. Overall, this gun, I haven't shot it yet, so I might do a shooting video later. I don't have a tank right now, so I might have to buy one from a friend or something. But wow, it's really nice. Like, everything stock is really nice. I love the grips. The stock grips are nice. I really like them. And the gun itself is nice. You know. I mean, we can look at the stickers and stuff. Let me just get the stickers wrong. Okay, that's a sticker too. Yeah. There's ANS gear sticker. Another one. Wow, that's nice. I really like that one. I gave one. I put one on my hopper already. I already opened this, but I just wanted to do an unboxing video. Then I have the manual. Alright, I'm not going to drag this out too far, so... Alright, well, I have to say that, I don't know how it shoots yet, so I might just do a video on that, but, for right now, have a nice day, and, thank you for watching.